Hi, welcome back to EducateTube.com. My name is Sipsky, your host. In this video, I'll show you how I sealed my driveway. There are two essential steps that you need to do before you do that, and also what material you need to get ready for it. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so before you seal the driveway, make sure you do two things. First, make sure you clean your driveway. First, you want to swipe your driveway, make sure there's dust and dirt out, remove any grass or any weeds in between the cracks of the driveway, and then of course use high pressure water to clean the driveway, let it dry. Okay, so that's the first step. The second step, of course, is to fill those cracks that might be evident in your driveway. So I have a small crack, so I use this one here. This is the crack filler, so I'll fill that little gaps between the driveway, and hopefully that will seal the crack. The next step, of course, if there is some kind of oil, dirt in your driveway that you can't remove with high pressure water, then you want to get this spot cleaner. Okay, so that will remove any kind of stain, like oil-based stain that might be like glued or sealed into your driveway. Hopefully you can get rid of it using this, and of course the steel brush. You want to scrape it out. Hopefully that will work. Once you do that, you would have all the material ready. For example, I have a brush. I have this putty knife in order to do some sealant. For example, if you have larger holes, you might want to get those stone base sealer and then use this putty to kind of even it out so the driveway level is straight and even. The next step is you need a roller. So I got a cheap one from a dollar store, as well as this one here. This is a paint roller, but you know, for me, this should do the job. I actually bought 3 of these. It's a couple bucks each. I think it's only $1 actually, $1. And then with this roller, it's only $2. This should do the job, okay? And of course, with the brush, to get a more fine detailed between the corners to seal the driveway, that's all you need, okay? So if it's a big driveway, let's say for 2 cars, it may take you a whole day. If it's just one garage size, 1 car, then it will only take you half a day. But remember, you might have to do 2 coating, okay? So that's why I bought 2 of these. I bought, this one I got is latex it, and it's a driveway sealer. I got this for around $30, and I got 2 of them actually, just in case I need to seal it twice or 3 times, right? Always buy more than less, because you don't want to be doing it halfway and then, you know, you run out of supply, you have to go get it again. So make sure you have enough of these sealers for your driveway. Okay, so let's begin. The first step, of course, I'm going to clean my driveway. All right, let's go.